Logo design is often underestimated, but it's a complex process requiring careful thought and creativity. While it may be tempting to copy existing designs, doing so can lead to serious legal consequences, including copyright infringement fines. Given the high value placed on logo design, understanding its intricacies is essential for creating a unique and effective brand identity. In this video, I will teach you complete logo design process step by step. But before that, we need to understand few things. When you look at these two shoes, how will you know the name of the manufacturer? Of course, you will know it by looking at the logo. Logo is basically identity of the brand. You can also call it face of the brand. One is Bata and the other one is Adidas. Both brands are well-known shoe brands that share same values. However, their target audience is different. Bata caters to a broad range of consumers, offering footwear for everyday wear, casual occasions and formal events. Their prices are generally affordable. Adidas primarily focuses on athletes and sports enthusiasts, offering high-performance footwear for specific activities. Their products tend to be expensive. Therefore, each brand logo is designed to serve their unique target audiences. Bata logo is clean, circular design, and classic typography that convey a sense of reliability and value, appealing to budget-conscious consumers. However, Adidas logo contains three stripes, often represent speed and movement, resonating with sports enthusiasts. Prior to designing a logo, it's important to consider following key factors. Number 1. Your logo should be distinctive. A logo that looks too similar to others can lead to confusion, potentially damaging your brand's identity. Number 2. Your logo should be memorable. A memorable logo evokes emotions and connects with the audience on personal level. For example, Hot Wheels. The logo features a bolded Hot Wheels wordmark in a stylized font. The clean minimalist design is easy to consider and remember. The wordmark is accompanied by a stylized flame, reinforcing the brand's association with speed, power, and excitement. Number 3. Your logo should reflect the nature of the business. For example, the hardware store might choose the logo that conveys strength and durability, while a water company might opt for a logo that symbolizes purity and freshness. Hardware store logo may include imagery related to tools and construction, while a water company logo may include elements like water, waves, or drops. Number 4. Your logo should be scalable. For example, imagine a logo for a coffee shop that features cup and a saucer. A scalable logo would allow the cup and saucer to be displayed clearly and effectively on a tiny business card, a large billboard, or even a digital screen. No matter how big or small the logo is, the cup and saucer would still be recognizable and look good. Always use minimum elements for logo design. In this tutorial, I will guide you through the process of creating a brand logo that embodies innovation and security. We will delve into each step of the logo design process. The first step is to gain a deeper understanding of the brand. The brand often provides a brief that outlines the goals and values. In this case, we are working with a brand called Big Guard. This company is about protecting birds in domestic homes, aviaries, and wildlife habitats. I won't read out the entire brief, but I have highlighted the key points that are crucial for understanding the brand in purple fonts. In description, I found these three useful keywords: protection, birds, and safety. Then, you need to understand their target audience. Is the brand made for males or females or both? Is your product useful for younger audience or older audience or all? What is the occupation of consumers? In this case, the company is not concerned about gender and age group, because people of any age and gender can have bird pets. The end users are bird owners, veterinarians, wildlife conservationists, and anybody related to animal welfare. These keywords highlight the nature of the company. Then, we need to understand the type of colors they want. In this case, client has not given any information about the color palettes. However, they have addressed the keywords trust, reliability, and compassion. Most brands use blue shades to display trust and reliability. Hospitals with red plus sign show compassion. We can use combination of blues and reds. It also says to use nature-inspired colors, possibly green color. But keep in mind, this brand is about bird security. We need to generate some color palettes that resonate security brands. We also need to understand the typography used for security brands. You should never use any random font for any brand. You need to understand the keywords, clean and professional, which means we cannot use playful fonts, script fonts, or any other curvy fonts. Fonts should look neat and decent. In this case, you should try to use Arial, Helvetica, Nexa, Tahoma, Futura, Impact, and so on. I will explain font selection later on. So these are some points that I can merge to design my logo. The second process is mind mapping. Here, we extract key terms from the brief and expand them into a network of related ideas, similar to a tree structure. This helps us explore different perspectives systematically and prevent us from generating ideas randomly. From these initial keywords, we can further branch out into hundreds of more specific concepts to delve deeper into the topic. However, I will keep this video short. So, the two most obvious keywords that looked appealing to me were beak and guard, which is actually the title. Some words related to beak are bird, eagle, falcon, duckbeak, and hummingbird. Some words related to guard are protector, eyes, surveillance, shield, security guard. These words were not created randomly, but rather by following the right path. By the way, I have already made a tutorial where I had explained how to create mascot logo Cold Night. I have added the tutorial link in card on top of this video and below in the description. The third process is sketching. In this process, I will use the generated words to sketch out the logo ideas. Now, these are some of the drawn sketches. Let's analyze each of the rough sketches to know whether it fits the brand's description. First one shows the shield shaped like a bird's beak, emphasizing protection and defense. The shape combines beak shape with guard shield symbol. However, the overall design is not appealing. Second one shows a stylized eye with a beak-shaped iris, representing vigilance and protection. This reveals an eagle eye with guarding pupils, but it doesn't display the complete message of the brand. Third one shows a simple abstract symbol representing the pointed shape. Logo looks bold and shows strength. It has pointed beak shape, but it doesn't display the guarding message. However, after merging all these ideas, I managed to create the fourth logo that shows a beak inside a shield shape. This shield represents security, and the pointed shape represents the beak. Both shapes combined together form the word beak guard. This is the most satisfying result. Next process is refining sketch. In this process, you need to import the rough sketch in Adobe Illustrator. I have created Illustrator artboard of 540 pixels width and height. I will draw a circle over here. Let's make it 385 pixels. Let's bring the circle to center. Let's remove the white color. I'm only going to work on black stroke. I'm going to make one copy of this. Let's select the circle, press Ctrl C on keyboard to copy this shape. Then press Ctrl F on the keyboard to paste the shape in front of the actual shape. Now, we have two circles at same position. I'm going to offset the X and Y positions of the front circle. I'm going to add 95 pixels in X position and subtract 190 pixels in Y position. Now, the new circle lies above the old circle. Let's make another copy of the first circle and paste it in front of it. I'm going to offset the X and Y positions of this new circle. I'm going to subtract 95 pixels in X position and add 190 pixels in Y position. Now, I'm going to select all the circles. Shortcut key is Ctrl A. Now, I'm going to use the shape builder tool to remove the unwanted parts from this group. Shortcut key is Shift M. I'm holding Alt key and erasing all this part from the group. Now we have this shield shape. Let's center align it. Go to Object, Path and choose Offset Path. I'm going to give it value of -50 pixels. The bigger shape is going to be shield and smaller shape is going to be beak. Now, I'm going to draw a rectangle the same size as this shield. I'm going to offset it -14 pixels. Let's remove the bigger rectangle. Now, I'm going to use the scissor tool. Shortcut key is C. I'm going to select the small sheet. Let's use scissor tool to cut out these 2 points. Let's delete this curve. I'm going to join the first point with the edge of the rectangle. Make sure it's a smooth curve. Now, delete the rectangle. Let's join the point with other anchor point of shield. Adjust it until it looks like a proper beak. Alright, that looks great. Let's select this beak. I'm going to offset it 14 pixels. Now, I'm going to select the bigger shield and the bigger beak shape. Let's take the shape builder tool and subtract this area from the group. Here you go. We have this beak guarded by this shield. Beak guard. Now, group all these shapes. Select all the shapes, right click on it and choose group. Shortcut key is Ctrl G. Next process is color selection. You can search for logos for security cameras on Google. Most of them will show you blue color logos because tech logos are associated with trust and reliability. Let's type color palette for tech companies. You can download any of the color palettes and use them for your logo project. Let's download this technology's blue color scheme. Let's import this color scheme to Adobe Illustrator. Make 3 copies of the logo. I will test which color combination works best with this brand. Let's make the shield dark blue and beak dark orange. This is first logo color combo. Let's make the shield medium blue color and beak orange color. This is second logo color combo. Let's make the shield orange color and beak medium blue color. I didn't use yellow color because it will look absurd. However, I had already composed color palettes for this logo, so I am going to use these colors. Let's remove 2 logos and work on single logo. Let's select this shield. I'm going to fill it with blue color. Color code is 06415E. Let's select this beak. I'm going to fill it with red color. Color code is DD2424. Let's group the shape. Final process is font selection. This one is one of the challenging part of logo design process. For this type of tech brand, you should try Arial Bold or Tahoma Bold. You can also use Impact or Monty Street font as well. Let's write beak guard over here. Below this, I'm going to draw the new text frame. Let's type guarding your interests, all in capital letters. Let the font be Milfold Regular. Let the size be 14 points. Let's increase the kerning to 200 points. Let's give red color to the beak word and blue color to the guard word. Wow, that looks stunning. Let's align the word mark properly. Actually, I had already designed my own fonts for this type of logo. So, I'm going to bring those word marks over here. Let's make a copy of this logo and place this text next to the abstract. Now, I will let you decide which logo word mark looks better. The first logo with impact fonts or second logo with my own fonts. Let me know in the comments down below. Now, let's compose 2 new artboards. Let's draw the square to fill the artboard with blue color. I'm going to resize it to 236 pixels and 206 pixels. Let's copy the word mark and paste it below the abstract logo. Let's change the shield color and text color to white. Let's bring the text upward. Let's center align both of them. Let's change the name text to red color. Now, I'm going to copy the entire artboard and paste the elements on last artboard. I'm going to switch the colors. Blue background to red background. Shield color back to blue color. Let's change the name text to blue color. And beak color to white. Let's zoom out. Look, the brand identity looks so neat, simple and stylish. Now all you need to do is show your work to client. I hope your client will be satisfied with your work. I hope you enjoyed this logo design tutorial. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comment section below. I will reply you as soon as possible. You can email me at javasumro1988@gmail.com. Follow my Facebook page over here, Javasumro Productions. Follow my Instagram page over here, Javasumro Studios. If you want to see more tutorials like this, make sure you subscribe. If you enjoyed this tutorial, smash that like button and share this video with your friends. If you never want to miss any updates, click that notification bell icon. Now, I will see you in the next tutorial. Goodbye and take care.